Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm making this YouTube video from my house while I'm in the middle of packing. I'm currently crouched on top of a whole lot of packing boxes, as you can see. That's my little dog in the background. Fortunately though, my daughter isn't here. She's 2.5 and therefore I can actually make this video, which is great. So I'm really hoping that Laurie will accept this in lieu of the 15-minute presentation, which just never seemed to come together in terms of timing, of finding an appropriate time in class. So what I was going to talk to you about today were two things. Firstly, the fantastic application that I have on my phone about the weather, and also about uploading and downloading videos onto YouTube. So okay, so this is the app on my iPhone 4. There are two. Sorry, it's in Spanish. There are two applications there. The one that I wanted to talk about is one that you need to pay for. It's called OzWeather. So I'll just click on that, and it's just this fantastic application that really goes into a lot of detail about the weather. And I know it sounds like a really boring thing, but I actually use this every day and check the weather every day on this, and it's as accurate as you can get. It's information directly from the Bureau of Meteorology, and it is probably, as dull as it sounds, one of the most useful tools on my phone. So on the front page you can see it's got the current forecast, so that gives you up to the minute information. Excuse it being back to front, of course. You can also choose which city. So I've got there Mount Barker, which is the closest city to where we're moving, and Melbourne, so you can keep a track, and you can add cities by pressing on the plus button. So you just click on the city that you want and it comes up with that forecast screen. You then go to current, sorry, that's the current screen. You can then go to forecast, which gives you the forecast for the day and also for the following 7 days. So you can get an idea of, you know, what the best time is to do things around the place. It's very useful. Then you can also, it's got this fantastic feature of the radar. So if it's raining, you can actually check, and by pressing this little button here on the top, you can check. It'll show you exactly where you are, and you can check to see whether there's any rain on the horizon. As you can see, it's a beautiful day today. No rain whatsoever. You can also, by pressing this arrow on the bottom here, you can change the radar, and you can also look at a national radar, which gives you a nice little snapshot of what's happening all over Australia, and gives you an indication of what's to come. So, and you can move around there, you can see all sorts of weather patterns. It's just really useful. There's also a satellite vision. Shows you there the cloud patterns, and a synoptic. There we go. So I have to say, like I said before, it is probably the most useful thing on my phone. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to talk to you about is the uploading and downloading videos onto YouTube. So in order to do that, you actually need to firstly create an account with YouTube, and I discovered, trying to do it on my phone and do it on the iPad, that you actually need to go online with a computer. So that was what I did in order to create an account. But once you have an account, you can go into YouTube like so, the main screen on your app, sorry, on your phone, and you can go to up videos, sorry, my videos. It then asks you to put in your password, which I hope is this one, because you end up with so many. sign in. Have I got the right password? No, sorry. Okay. Look, I'm going to have to go and look up the password, but basically once you sign in, it gives you the option to upload your videos, and it really is as simple as that. Stand by. I will go and get the password and I'll be back.